Oh, hello traders. Yeah, welcome to my channel. It's Rocket Trading here. So let's begin the part 2 of the trends. So I will resume my previous video. So please guys like and subscribe the video. It will be very helpful. I'm giving you away some content and it is free. I'm giving you guys this free content that I have learned through practice and other these things. So in my previous video I have talked about uptrend, so price creating new high, so the pattern psychology. Okay, I have write it. The pattern psychology is that price creates higher highs and higher lows. You see, it creates higher highs and higher lows. This is a psychology, this is a pattern. So you need to understand this pattern. Okay, that's why most traders fail, because if you don't understand this and you draw a line, a support like I have showed you in my last video. Okay, so I have showed you in my last video the market will not respect this level, so you need to understand this. Okay, it means that the bias is in control. Okay, the bias is more powerful, and in opposite, a downtrend means the sellers is powerful. So this means that the pattern psychology means that it is a bullish impulsive wave. You see here, it's a bullish impulsive wave. Let me show you here. You see, bullish. Let me write it for you to become simple. It is a bullish impulsive wave. This can also be applied in forex. So it is a bullish impulsive wave, which means that the bullish, it make new highs, that the bullish is in powerful and it make a pattern. So you need to know this pattern. And also there is another word for this. This means that it is also a bearish corrective wave. Bearish corrective wave. So I don't want to make it complicated, so this is the name. So it make a bullish impulsive wave, which is this pattern. You see, it go up, it go down. This is a bearish corrective wave. When it go down again, it go up. So it made a bullish impulsive wave here and bearish here. Let me show you with arrows. So it make a bullish impulsive wave here. It made a bearish impulsive corrective wave here. It make a bullish, oh god, okay, here it made a bullish impulsive wave. It made again a bearish corrective wave. Again it made a bullish corrective wave. You understand? This is on forex, so it can also be helpful in binary option because it is the same, I think. So in the downtrend, the pattern psychology is that, wait, I show you the picture. Yeah, the pattern. Okay, I don't want it to be very a long video, and I want to make it simple. The price creating lower lows and lower highs. So I have already explained this. So it means that the sellers is in control, and also it make a bearish impulsive wave, the opposite of this one. Which is, it make bullish. This is a bullish. Let me show you something here. This is a bullish impulsive corrective wave. So in a downturn, it make bullish corrective wave. So let me write it. It make a bullish corrective, sorry, I haven't pronounced it right, and this wave here too it make a bullish corrective wave here, and it made a bearish impulsive wave. So this is a bearish, sorry, yeah, I have to get the arrow. So yeah, let me show you in this picture. So here, okay, let me show you here. Okay, wait, okay, here you see here is a bullish corrective wave, and here is a bearish impulsive wave. I explain again: bullish corrective wave, bearish corrective wave. So this is a keyword, so it is a pattern psychology that you need to know. So I don't want it to make it longer and complicated. So let's talk about So let's talk about the major trend and the minor trend. So the major trend is when you zoom out. You see, let me show you something here. So what is a major trend? So, and you see here, so let me here. So as you see here, the major trend is up. The major trend is up. So this is a major trend and it is a minor trend. The minor trend is also up. You see, the minor trend is up. It is a minor trend. So you need to understand this. So very important. So let's see. Okay, here, if you zoom out, you will get the. Let me wait. I need to. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. You see, the major trend is going down. So this is the major trend. The major trend is going down. The major trend is going down. And here the minor trend is also going down. So to make it simple for you to understand, guys, so to make it simple, the major trend is when you zoom out, you see the trend of world market. You see, okay, what has happened? Okay, you zoom out, you see the trend of the world market, so it's going down. And the minor trend is when you zoom in and you see here the trend of the market is when you zoom in. So you will learn a new thing. So I have get these things. So what is a sideways trends? A sideways trend means that the market is moving in this range. It doesn't make a new highs or new lows. So it move in this range. So you see, it move in this range. Let me show you an example here. Oh, it's a trendy market. Let me show you. Okay, here. So you can make it is a sideways market where the market is moving in this range. It doesn't make new highs and new lows. You see, it's moving in this range. So this is a sideways market. It's moving in this range. How you can trade in this range market? What you need to do is you need to trade. Oh no. Okay, here you need to trade the support and the resistance. The resistance and the support you only trade here. This is the resistance. This is a support. You only trade on this type of market. You don't want to trade in the middle of the trend. This is in the middle because you don't have any control here. You see here, it doesn't respect this level. So it breaks this level, and after breakout you can see a retracement. Okay, so you see, this is a sideways market. I don't want it to make it complicated, but this is not a complicated, also known as a ranging market, don't worry. So I will talk about I will talk about momentum trends. This is also a new thing that you will learn. Okay, let me show you something. Okay, here, let me see. Okay, this is a momentum trend where they are consecutively same color candle and in making a trend. This is a momentum trend. So guys, don't trade against a momentum trend because it will break this level. And you see here, there is a level here, and it will break it because this is a momentum trend and the buyers are in force, so it will not respect this level. This is also a momentum trend. You see a momentum trend. Okay, this is also a momentum trend. Guys, do you understand? Comment below and like the video, guys, so it will be very helpful. This is a momentum trend. So guys, I'm giving you this stuff for free. So guys, hope you understand this. This is a momentum trend. I have talked about sideways, uptrend, downtrend, and also psychology concerning the trend. So if you have any answer, please comment below. Okay, I have told you that in ranging market you need to trade on support and resistance. I told about major trends. Zoom out. Major trend means you zoom out.